So today we are making clay pot rice, and in Hong Kong they call it煲仔飯, which is like small pot rice, and it is such a common street food. You'll see it all over, and essentially what it is you have a base of rice. There's usually some sauce. You can top it off with black beans and pork. You can do chicken and mushrooms. That's also a really common one. But today I am going to utilize that Chinese sausage that we made in an earlier recipe, and it's a Chinese lapchang, which is kind of dry cured, sweet, and also very aromatic as well because it's flavored with rose wine. Such a simple recipe. It's rice with some Chinese greens, that sausage, or you can readily sub it for another kind of like vegan or vegetarian sausage that you have, and then a mix of a vegan egg that I will pour all on top last minute. Everything's gonna cook at the same time. All of the juices are gonna mesh and collide, and it's just gonna be a really easy but a really yummy recipe as well. So I hope you guys all enjoy. So I'm going to start off by cooking a half a cup of white rice with a little less than about a cup of water. Bring it to a boil, set it down to low, and then right until it's about 80-90% done, I'm going to add in these toppings. So this is the lapchang sausage that we've made in an earlier recipe. Feel free to sub it for another type of sausage. It's whatever is convenient for you. I have some greens, and then this is going to be my egg mixture. So I have some turmeric for color. The tapioca starch is in there as a binder, and it'll set my egg. Some chickpea flour, some black salt, of course, for flavor, and I'm just going to mix the dry ingredients all together and then whisk in about 2 tablespoons of water until smooth. Now, typically, if we were working with raw meat, I would say like 75-80% of the rice should be done, and then you add in the meats to finish cooking. But because we're working with vegan products here, I'd say like wait until the rice is about 90% done. That was 2 tablespoons of a soy sauce. I'm going to put in everything. So just pour the egg right on top, smack a cover back on, and then in a couple of minutes, everything should be warmed, everything should be set, and then we're good to go. This is literally how clay pot rice should be. Everything in one bowl, and then you have the sauce and all of the drippings from the toppings mixing in with the rice. And I finished that off with just a little drizzling of soy sauce and then some scallions, and you just mix it all together, and it's ready to be eaten. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed that recipe. I'm going to put the lapchang recipe link down below. Remember that you can really use whatever protein, whatever toppings that you want to use. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys all again next time. Bye!